Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Slushie Machine, a high-end machine that lets you make professional quality frozen drinks and slushies at home with ease. Meet the Slushie Machine. Featuring flash freezing technology that locks in freshness and flavor without the need for ice. With 6 preset programs and customizable texture, you can create a variety of delicious drinks. This machine offers a large 88-ounce capacity and 12-hour reservation feature, perfect for parties and gatherings. The cyclic cooling system keeps your drinks frosty for 12 hours, and the auto-clean function makes cleaning up a breeze. The Slushie Machine features a unique ice cream program, allowing you to make delicious and soft ice cream at home. With its one-touch operation and LED screen, you can easily customize your drinks. Whether you're making margaritas, frappés, milkshakes, or slushies, this machine has got you covered. The detachable accessories are dishwasher-safe, making cleaning up easy and convenient. The Slushie Machine is perfect for anyone who loves frozen drinks and treats. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, you'll be making professional quality drinks in no time. Get yours now and start making delicious frozen drinks and treats at home. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Make your favorite frozen drinks and treats with the Slushie Machine. Order now and enjoy the ultimate frozen drink experience. With the Slushie Machine, you'll be the life of the party. Make your favorite drinks and treats with ease and enjoy the perfect treat every time.